So today I'm making this video to clarify as to what the red and yellow dots mean on a tire. So on some tires you may just see a red dot only, and on other tires you may only see a yellow dot only. But on this tire there are both dots. So some tires is going to vary on which dots you have, but in this case I have the red and the yellow. In other cases you might just see only yellow dots. So the red dot means that this is the heaviest point of the tire when the tire was manufactured and constructed. And the yellow dot means that this is the lightest point of the tire. So in this case, when you have both dots, the red dot will take priority. So you need to align the red dot with the valve stem. You can see that they are parallel to each other. So this is going to allow you to balance the tire with the minimum amount of weights, and will also help to reduce vibrations or unwanted vibrations. This just helps to install the least amount of weight possible when you go to balance the tire and or the wheel assembly. So in this scenario in which you have both dots present, the red dot is going to take priority. So you need to align this with the valve stem. Now in other cases, if you don't have the red dot and just the yellow dot, and then you will need to line up the yellow dot with the valve stem instead. And I believe that would be the heaviest point of the tire in that case. Now, if you have a tire that just has the red dot, then line up the red dot with the valve stem, and that would also be the heaviest point of the tire in that case, because the heaviest point on where the wheel is where the valve stem is, because this one has a bit of weight to it, and everywhere else there isn't anything there. So the heaviest point is where the valve stem is. So that's where we want to line up the dots. Now in some cases mistakes happen with the tire installers, and so even if you don't line this up, it may not be the end of the world, but as long as you install the appropriate weights required by the balancing machine, you should still be fine. This is just to help to reduce as much vibration as possible, and so this just helps the tire installer to install the least amount of weights, and that's it. When the tire manufacturers, when they design and make this tire, there will always be some sort of imperfections, and so the balance of the tire is not going to be constructed 100%. So this is the reason as to why they place these dots in the first place. So I already took off the wheel off of the tire balancer. It's already balanced. It just needed a total of 1 ounce on the right side, the outside, to balance this tire, and that's all it needed. That's after lining up the red dot with the valve stem accordingly. So as you can see, this tire, it required 1 ounce of weight to balance the tire on the one side. On the other side, there was no weight required. And so, yeah, the heaviest point is where the red dot is. That's where exactly and where I mounted the tire. And the yellow dot is where the lightest point is. And you can see in where I mounted the weight. It's very close to where the yellow dot is. So that's how you know. That's how you know that the job was done correctly, and you can see that you can confirm that the manufacturer, they placed the two dots on the correct points. So I'm just showing this as a confirmation and as a reference point.